Now we are removing 6 or 7 millimeter polyethylene coating from the surface of the rejected pipe. Even with this system with continuous speed and with the water supply, so even there is no FBE remaining on the substrate. You see, when we cool down the coating just before we heat up the induction heat, okay, so the outer surface of the coating is being cooled down and FBE is being bonded on the cooled part, okay, not on the hot substrate, but it is bonding on cool polyethylene.